my own chocolate. Let's see the instruction. Oh, it's actually back here. I put it inside. I didn't know that because in my slime video. Let's open it. Oh, there's a line here. See it or not? Because it's quite yellow. I see it. See? Correct, right? Ooh. It's like a zipper. Start with Z. Class? Yes. Let's see what color. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. I got the chocolate one. I love chocolate. Let's put it right here and put the zipper inside. Go inside, zipper. You don't want to be shy, right, zipper? Just kidding. Box, don't talk. Ooh, in the plastic, it won't be dirty, right? In the box, because it's brown inside. Okay, there we go. I must. Just kidding, because I'm a girl. Wait, side here. Oh, I will. Oh, okay. Just kidding. This one. You see it now? Or not? Okay. Put one water hot. Oh, I have 3 flavors. Oh. Thanks. Someone else? Oh, there's a mold. I can make any shape. I have 3 flavors. Oh, there's strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. Let's dip at all the flavors. 1, 2, 3. Come on, go back. Okay, let's wait for a few hours. I love flavors really much. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
A few minutes later.
It's all melted and my dad helped me open it. See? It's not just the same. It didn't take up by itself in the hot water. And which flavor? Wait, here? The box will not fall in here. I'll try this one first. Okay, push in the top. In the middle. Yes, I got it out now. That's okay now. I hear a fart. That's funny. I didn't done it. It's this one for sure. Push in the middle. Excellent. There we go. Wait here, it won't spill. I'll get one stick. It looks like a bone. It's okay. Wait, stir it in the middle. Very good. Let's squeeze. Oh my God, how huge is this? There we go. A good job. Done. Let's put this in the fridge for 15 minutes. It's all ready. You need to do this. Be careful. Oh my God, how hard is this? Cause it's icy now. It feels cold in under here. I'll feel it for sure. I'll not pull this out cause there's no stick. Oh, you saw that? Made this mouth. Ooh, I'm so strong. Take a bite first. I made one so good. Try this one. Cool. Pull this one out now. Come on, go. Let's put one out. Ooh, this one is look like umbrella. See? The umbrella. Let's put it back here. For. Oh, this one looks like a tiny mushroom. It's so cute, right? This is look like a baby mushroom. And one more. Oh, this one looks like a mommy mushroom. And the next one, this one. Oh, this is like a grandpa mushroom. Because there's a lot of flavor. There's strawberry and banana. Okay, let's try one out. This this one, both of these, it's a fail. And these one, lipsticks, it's a good one. I'll try this one. These are good. Oh. Then let's try the chocolate one. It's a green umbrella. Go. Yummy. This is the fair ones. This one is not hard at all. Look. And this one can. It's stuck to there. See, this one won't come out because it's still wet. It will not work. And these three works. Uh-oh. I broke the stick. Don't tell anybody. Good. I did a taste one. I think this is the same flavor. This. It's little. Yummy. Let's try that. Mommy one. The last one. I broke this one too. That's all. These one, it won't work. I broke the stick, and this one, it's still melted in this one. And this stick, it belongs to here. It's okay, right? This one is the fair ones. It's not okay, it's not okay. I think better luck next time. Make it okay, you buy it. I made it wrong. I love it too. I still make it wrong. Wah, wah, wah. It's still melted. I'll eat it. Don't tell anybody I ate it. It's melted. Let's try. I need to clean my hands and brush our teeth. Good, good. Till my next video.